Hello students, today you will learn lesson 18 price rise and consumer awareness. Okay, we were on page number 150 at top, second paragraph. Satisfaction of consumer is our motto. Okay, means our goal, aim. Motto means our goal, main, aim. Consumer is king of market. Such statements seem to be exaggeration and deception in the present time. Such statements seem to be exaggeration and deception. Exaggeration means बढ़ा चढ़ा के बात करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं exaggeration, and deception, cheating in present time. जैसे वो मजाक हो गया है, consumer is the king of market. Producers, entrepreneur or trader produce things as per their ability and convenience, facility. Producer है वो अपनी हिसाब से facility से बनाते हैं production. Later on they try to attract consumers through antis advertisement. Then producer attract consumers through advertisement. Antis एकदम tempting, okay, persuasion करे, मना ले उसको. In TV, radio, by publishing advertisement, in press continuously. In press means magazine, in newspapers, continuously by mediums like website, hoardings or banners. Banners भी लगाते हैं, hoardings रोड के साइड में लगाते हैं. Because of it, consumer finds it difficult to purchase or choose proper commodity. Now many companies are in market, okay? Consumer see many advertisement. Then he get confused हो जाता है कौन सी प्रोडक्ट उसके लिए बेहतर है. प्रॉपर कमोडिटी and guided towards the false way and is thus exploited. So by advertisement he is guided through the false way. Forms of consumer exploitation. How consumer is cheated. Consumer are exploited by the producers and traders in different ways, which is given below. He is exploited by providing commodity of less weight. एक तो उसको वजन कम देते हैं, पैकेट के ऊपर जो लिखा है या तो जो बैलेंस में वो करते हैं स्केल के ऊपर. लेस वेट देन द वन प्रिंटेड ऑन द पैकेट बाय प्रोवाइडिंग स्लाइटली डिफेक्टिव और फेक कॉमोडिटी. डिफेक्टिव कॉमोडिटी चीज या तो फेक नकली गुड्स. ओवर प्राइसिंग गुड्स बाद में कोमा ओवर प्राइसिंग या तो प्राइस ज्यादा ले लेते हैं. बाय प्रोवाइडिंग एडल्ट्रेटेड गुड्स. एडल्ट्रेटेड मीन्स घी, मिल्क, okay, many items are adulterated, mixed in ghee, milk and in other commodities. Producer mix other items in it. So that is called adulteration. Adulterated goods which are dangerous or harmful for health. Unsatisfactory after sales service. Sales service, okay, after sales service is unsatisfactory. When we buy scooter, car or fridge, so in their warranty period or okay guarantee period, after sales service is not good, unsatisfactory hai. As for example, not providing construction goods or services as per determined conditions. या तो when we buy house, okay, construction of the house or the carpet area is not as per their condition when they sold it. In providing electricity, banking, insurance, telephone or medical facilities, seller or trader shows negligence and humiliates consumer. या तो negligence, okay, वो neglect करते हैं या तो humiliates, इंसल्ट करते हैं कंज्यूमर का. बाय चीटिंग इन सिलेक्शन ऑफ गुड्स, बाय अट्रैक्टिव एंड डिसेप्टिव एडवर्टाइजमेंट, बाय एडॉप्टिंग माल प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ सेलिंग. माल प्रैक्टिसेस, ओके, चीटिंग करते हैं या तो कुछ भी फेक कमोडिटी देते हैं. माल प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ सेलिंग, by selling fake goods in such a manner that they cause physical as well as mental harassment. Okay, when we buy such thing, then suppose if we meet with an accident with electric appliances, okay, suppose what washing machine है या तो प्रेस है, आयरन है, उसके साथ तो it is physically harmful, and when this appliances okay is not working properly, we have to call repairer and we have to suffer mental harassment by creating artificial scarcity. दूसरा artificial scarcity generate करते हैं, shortage generate करते हैं, and by not providing complete information, या तो प्रोडक्ट की कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देते. दिस वे कंज्यूमर इज चीटेड. नाउ रीजन ऑफ कंज्यूमर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन. कंज्यूमर के साथ चीटिंग या तो एक्सप्लॉयटेशन क्यों होता है? कंज्यूमर इज एक्सप्लॉयटेड बिकॉज ऑफ फॉलोइंग रीजन. फर्स्ट वन, कंज्यूमर इज हिमसेल्फ हरसेल्फ रिस्पॉन्सिबल. यू शुड बी अवेयर, ओके, अलर्ट. Traders, producers, organizers take undue advantage, okay, improper advantage of consumers by exploiting them in different ways because of ignorance. Because consumer don't get all information. Because of ignorance, उसका अज्ञान, lack of awareness, illiteracy, अनपढ़ है, lack of tendency to become organized and oppose, okay, consumers are not united. Lack of preparation and tendency to fight legal against exploitation. Lack of tendency to fight legally. Okay, consumers and we people don't want to go in court, okay, register case. We think that it will take long time. We will have to go again and again. So lack of tendency to fight legally against exploitation. Legally मतलब as per law. Second one, limited information. In the capitalist economy, the producers and sellers are free to produce or sell any commodity or services in any quantity. Okay. You had studied socialist system and capitalist system. Okay, market system. So in market system, producers can produce anything, okay, as per their wish and sell. There are no specific rules regarding their pricing and quality regulation. Price के लिए कोई rule नहीं है. If demand is high, they can increase price. Pricing and quality regulation wherever they are. The rules are not followed strictly. Okay, and they don't follow the rules strictly. In such situation, in the absence of our knowledge of information about usefulness of products, okay, consumer have no knowledge about the usefulness of product, quality and maintenance. Consumers को पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देते, उसका यूजफुलनेस, क्वालिटी, मेंटेनेंस, कंडीशंस ऑफ यूज. ओके, इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस है, दूसरे ऐसे अप्लायंसेस है, तो हाउ टू यूज इट. आफ्टर सेल सर्विसेज अच्छी तरह नहीं देते. warranty or guarantee period, etc., the consumer is not given complete information about the commodity. उसको proper information नहीं देते. Thus, due to limited information and lack of understanding, the consumer tends to make mistake. So, because of lack of understanding and information, consumers make mistake. Third one, limited supply. When supply of product or service is not in accordance with demand, supply नहीं है in accordance with demand, तो price up जाएंगे. Artificial scarcity is created, shortage is generated, thus scarcity is created due to hoarding by traders. Illegal storage करते in warehouse, in godowns. Producers betting or natural calamities, okay, या तो सट्टाखोरी, सट्टा में वो प्राइस अप जाता है, तो बिकॉज ऑफ नेचुरल कैलामिटीज. इन सच सिचुएशन ट्रेडर्स टेक अनड्यू एडवांटेज, इम्प्रॉपर एडवांटेज लेते बाय ओवर प्राइसिंग, प्राइस बढ़ा देते, बाय So improper supply of commodities in the market. सप्लाई स्मूथ नहीं है, कंटिन्यूअस नहीं है. Improper supply of commodities in the market is also responsible for exploitation of consumers. Supply proper नहीं है तो it is reason for exploitation of consumer. Fourth one, limited competition. When a single producer or a group of producers have their monopoly in the production and sale of commodity or service. Monopoly है, suppose market में there are only one or two producer company which produce an specific item. Okay, so they can increase price and they can take over price from the consumer. Then due to lack of other alternative, दूसरा alternative कोई नहीं है, producer exploit the consumer in different ways. So consumers are cheated in different ways in such limited or monopolized market. आजकल तो ऐसा नहीं है, but before 20 years के ऐसा था. Suppose Ambassador ने Fiat ने, there are only 2 or 3 car companies in India. Okay, only 2 or 3 scooter companies in India, Bajaj. Okay, so that time people didn't get the scooter car immediately. They had to wait. So that time it was monopolized market. Okay, monopoly. एक दो ही सप्लाई करने वाले हैं तो it is called monopoly. The consumer is dumped with defective services. उसको उसके ऊपर उसके सर के ऊपर ठोक देते हैं डिफेक्टिव सर्विसेज एंड कमोडिटीज ऑफ लो क्वालिटी. लो क्वालिटी के चीजें उसको थमा देते हैं. नाउ कंज्यूमर अवेयरनेस इन कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन. लास्ट पैराग्राफ ऑफ द पेज. There arose a need to stop exploitation of consumer in different ways. Need arose, okay, for the protection of consumer, to protect rights and to provide mental and physical security. Consumer must be protected in free market. Okay. In India, a description regarding consumer protection because of misbehavior towards consumers. Okay, many times we hear or face misbehavior, insult of traders, shopkeepers. कि ये तो ऐसा ही आता है, अब इतने रुपये में क्या, ओके, आपको देख के लेना चाहिए, ऐसा ह्यूमिलिएशन, इंसल्ट हम फेस करते हैं. Misbehavior towards consumers and their exploitation was made for the first time in Kautilya's Arthashastra, Chanakya. Okay, so this today's burning problem, okay, was also mentioned in Kautilya, Chanakya's Arthashastra book, economics की book, okay, which describe misbehavior of trader towards consumer and this exploitation. So Chanakya also had written about consumer exploitation. We find mention of punishment for undermeasurement of goods and adulteration of duplication. So in ancient books, we also find the punishment for undermeasurement of goods. लेस वेट देते हैं या तो एडल्ट्रेशन, मिक्स किया हुआ घी दूध ऐसा देते हैं, बेचते हैं, तो उसके लिए पनिशमेंट एंशिएंट बुक में लिखा है. अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट जॉन फ्रैंकलिन कैनेडी प्रेजेंटेड 4 राइट्स ऑफ द कंज्यूमर्स ऑन मार्च 15, 1962. जॉन कैनेडी ने 4 राइट्स, ओके, 1962 में कहे, बोले. In Parliament of America, he expressed soreness on the thought that opinion of the consumer is not heard. Okay, उसको बुरा लगा when the opinion of consumer is not heard. International organization, Consumers International, published notification showing rights of consumer on 15 March 1983. So, notification published किए. So 15 March is obtained as World Consumer Day. Okay, every year 15 March is celebrated, observed as World Consumer Day every year. Afterwards, in its meeting on 16th April 1995, the UN declared 8 basic consumer rights. United Nations also declared 8 basic consumer rights in its Bill United Nations Guidelines for Consumer Protection. According to this, it recommended every nation of the world to set up effective legal structure. United Nations said that all the countries should establish legal structure. Court for consumers should be established for rights and interest protection of consumers. तो हर एक कंट्री को कंज्यूमर्स के प्रोटेक्शन के लिए लीगल स्ट्रक्चर कोर्ट बनाने के लिए यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने कहा. फॉर दिस इंडियन पार्लियामेंट फॉर्म नेशनल कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट. इंडियन पार्लियामेंट इनेक्टेड मेड लॉ फॉर द कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन 1986, which was signed and permitted by the President on 24th December 1986. In India, consumer protection started in 1986. So, every year, 24th December is celebrated as National Consumer Right Day in India. So, in India, 24th December is celebrated as National Consumer Right Day. Okay, children, next part of this lesson you will study in next video.